Let's say the laptop's own Wi-Fi is not working, so in this case you could use a smartphone and a data cable. The Wi-Fi should be captured by the phone and sent through the data cable to the laptop or to a desktop PC. Okay, so let's connect the USB cable there. The other side, the USB to the laptop. It's charging. Okay, now on this one, swipe down from the top, enable Wi-Fi, enable. Make sure you are connecting to the correct network, so you can tap and hold on it and select the network that you want. Swipe down and go to the settings wheel. Settings. Here we have connections. Go down to the bottom where it says tethering, mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on that one. USB tethering is not enabled, but let's see the internet. So if I open a new tab and go, let's say, to YouTube, it says no internet, so it's not working. Facebook, no internet. Okay, now enable USB tethering. Okay, and it's already moving. It's not worked, but now it's working. So the internet is coming from the phone into the cable and into the laptop. And if I stop Wi-Fi, then the internet here should stop also. So disable Wi-Fi. Let's close this tab, try to open a new one, and it's not loading, it's not doing anything. If I enable the internet from here, Wi-Fi, it should connect and then it should work. Yes, it's working. Okay, so just enable the USB tethering on the smartphone and you should send the Wi-Fi from the phone to the laptop.